What? Tell Mom. Say that again. Really? That's so interesting. Tell me more. And then what did you do? And then what did he say? Did he say yes? He'll go on a date with you? He did? Uh-oh, don't tell your daddy. Don't tell your daddy. Don't tell him. Okay. I won't tell him either. I won't tell him either. Are you going to be back by curfew? Be back by curfew. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. What else? You like him that much? You like him that much? You're gonna run away and elope in Fiji? Over my dead body. Oh yes, over my dead body. Yeah, right. That didn't make you very happy. Oh yeah. Okay. I like your shirt. I like your shirt. You have good style. Are you done? Want to say bye? Bye. No? No? Okay. Bye, Lyric. Bye, baby girl.